Hi, welcome to The Fix. Today we're going to be showing you how to utilize LogMeIn on an iOS device. To get started, we need an iOS device with 9.0 or later, as well as a stable internet connection. To start, we want to select Settings from the home screen on your iOS device. After selecting Settings, we then want to locate Control Center. After we tap on Control Center, we want to tap on Customize Controls. Under Customize Controls, we will find the option for screen recording, and we want to add that by selecting the green plus sign. Once added, we can then scroll to the top and we will see screen recording listed with a red minus sign. Now on to part 2. From the main screen of your iOS device, we then want to locate the App Store. Once the App Store is located, we then want to select the App Store and search for Rescue Mobile. Once we search Rescue Mobile, on the list of apps we will find Rescue Plus Mobile, and we are going to download that application onto the iOS device. Once it allows you to open the application, we will open Rescue Mobile, allow notifications, and select Continue. We are now ready to enter the 6-digit PIN. From the technician side, we then can start a new session and enter in our customer information. Once we're done, we then can create a PIN code and provide the 6-digit PIN to our customer. On the iOS device, we can enter in the 6-digit PIN and choose the option to broadcast. The Rescue Mobile application will then walk you through adding the screen record feature to the control panel. However, we already performed these steps to avoid confusion for our customers and avoid unnecessary steps which may require us to exit the application. All we do now is swipe from the top or the bottom of your screen depending on your specific phone model to pull up the control panel. Once the control panel is pulled up, we then can press and hold the record option. We will see a prompt to select LogMeIn and to start broadcasting. Once we select Start Broadcasting, we are now sharing our screen with our remote support technician.